The Product One Pager is a very powerful tool, perfect for pitching a feature, shaping an MVP, or building your portfolio. Welcome to the Product Foundation Challenge. In each episode, I share one foundational product topic and show you exactly how to build it step by step. The topic for today is the Product One Pager. A Product One Pager is a simple and single page document that answers 5 key questions to help you communicate your product idea clearly and quickly. Let's break them down. First question is, what problem are you trying to solve? In this section, you explain what is the core user pain point and why does the problem matter for the user. Second, who is your target audience? Meaning who exactly is experiencing this problem. In this section, you think about their needs, context, and behavior. Third, what is your proposed solution? In this section, you explain what are you building to solve this problem and how does the solution work at a high level. Fourth, what impact do you expect? This is where you think about user benefits and business outcomes. For example, what will change if your solution is successful? And last but not the least, what assumptions do you have? Meaning what needs to be true for this to work? What are you guessing or betting on that might need to be tested? That is it. Clear and structured thinking all on a single page. And that is why it is called a Product One Pager. I have created this simple template for you that you can use. The link to download is in the description of the video. And if there are difficulties in downloading, just grab a blank sheet of paper and draw 5 sections as I have done on this paper. This is your first Product One Pager. There are plenty of reasons to use a Product One Pager, but the most important one, it forces clear thinking. If you cannot explain your product idea on a single page, you probably have not understood it well enough. That is why a one-pager pushes you to define the problem clearly, describe the solution in simple words, and focus on outcomes, not just outputs. Now I will show you how to create our first Product One Pager step by step. For this exercise, I am picking the example of a grocery app that I use frequently, and for obvious reasons, I am not naming the app. I will start with defining the problem. As a user, I order groceries every week and often buy the same items, but this app does not remember my past order. So every time I order, I have to start from scratch. That is frustrating and time consuming. So the problem statement is, users who frequently order groceries have to manually rebuild their cart each time because the app does not remember past orders. Next, let's talk about the target audience. Not everyone using the app has this problem, but this is especially a problem for busy professionals or parents of young children, anyone juggling work or young kids at home. So your target audience is busy professionals and parents of young children who value speed and convenience. Next, let's talk about the solution. The solution for this is very simple. Add a reorder last cart button that enables users to repurchase their previous order in just one click. No searching, no rebuilding. Just tap, update the order if needed, and check out. Next, let's define the expected impact. To define this, think about what will change if our solution works. From a user perspective, it will help users in saving time, and that should lead to increased convenience and building loyalty. From a business perspective, this is going to improve repeat purchase rate and customer retention. I should also try to add some numbers here, even rough estimates like reduce reorder time by 70% or increase repeat orders by 10%. This is to ensure that I'm thinking in terms of a measurable impact. And the last section is assumptions. What needs to be true for this to work? I have listed 3 assumptions here for the purpose of this exercise. First, users typically want to reorder same items. Second, our backend can store previous cart logic. And third, users recognize the value of the button. And just like that, we have created a common frustration in a grocery app into focused and testable feature all within one page. This one pager can then be used for pitching ideas to your team or leadership, aligning with design and engineering before building, getting feedback from users or stakeholders early in the development cycle, or adding it to your product portfolio to showcase your product thinking. It is a small document, but a very, very, very powerful tool. Now it's your turn. First, download the free template I used in this video. The link is in the description below. Second, think of a product you use and one feature that annoys you most. Don't limit your thinking to apps or websites only. The product can also be a washing machine or your automobile. Third, write a simple one-pager and share that using the hashtag product foundation, and then repeat the whole process 5 times. Tag me if you post it on LinkedIn so I can give you some feedback and amplify your work. See you in the next challenge.